Welcome all. This is Stat Fest, a tale of two birds. And here you have the question answer from it. So here we go. So the first one is, how did the two baby birds get separated? Answer: a big storm in the forest carried those baby birds away and dropped them at two different places outside the forest. Number second, where did each of them find a home? Answer: one of them landed near a cave where the robbers lived, while the other came down near a rishi ashram. Third, what did the first bird say to the stranger? Answer: he said, there is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he'll slip away. Next, number 4. What did the second bird say to him? Answer: he said, welcome, sir. Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food. Number 5. How did the rishi Number 5. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? According to the rishi, the other bird heard robbers talk of robbing people and so imitated their language. This bird, on the other hand, heard the good things only and so spoke in good manner alone. So this is all from this chapter. Thank you.